Hey, I hope you're having a great day. We are going to learn Superhero by Lauv. It's a beginner fingerstyle song, mostly open chords. There's a little walk-up that happens during the pre-chorus, but I'll break it down with open chords as well in case it's too much for some of the beginners out there. At the end of the video, I will also break down a beginner strumming pattern that you can play through the entire song. That way, if the fingerstyle thing is a little too much, you'll still be able to play the song and have a great time with it. It's super fun to play. My name is Brett from Summit Guitar School. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. We're going to be making a whole lot more of them. So yeah, we really appreciate the support. Let's jump into this song. All right, let's talk about the chords we need for this song. We've got a G major, a C add 9, an E minor 7th, which is just an E minor 2-finger chord with a 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. You strum all 6. We've got a D, and we've got a G/B. So the G/B is just a G major chord without the middle finger, and you strum from the 5th string down. Those are all the chords you need for this song. Okay, so let's talk about the fingerstyle thing that's going to happen here. We're going to use our thumb, index, and middle, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to pluck the bass note of each chord with our thumb, whatever string that might be on, and then we're going to pluck 3rd and 2nd string with our index and 2nd finger, okay? So we're going to hold our 1st chord, our G, all right? And then we're going to pluck the 6th string and the 3rd and the 2nd afterwards. So thumb and then the index and middle plucked together. All right, so it happens 4 times. The pattern happens 4 times on each chord. So thumb, pluck, thumb, pluck, thumb, pluck, thumb, pluck. Then you're gonna go to the 5th string, C add 9. Your pinky or your thumb is gonna pluck the 5th string, and your index and middle are gonna still pluck the 3rd and the 2nd string together. Thumb, pluck, thumb, pluck, thumb, pluck, thumb, pluck. Then you're going to go to the E minor 7th, and your thumb is going to pluck the 6th string. Index and middle still pluck 3rd and 2nd. Then you're going to go to a D. Your thumb is going to pluck the 4th string, and the index and middle are still going to pluck the 3rd and the 2nd. Okay, now sped up, you've got all right, let's take a look at that walk-up that happens during each pre-chorus. We're going to put our index finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, and our pinky on the 5th fret, 2nd string. We're going to pluck the 5th with our thumb, the 3rd with our index, and the 2nd string with our middle, just like we have been earlier in the song, except this time we're going to squeeze them all together at the same time. So this is kind of a C shape, all right? Kind of an open C shape. Then we're going to move that exact shape up so our index finger lands on the 5th fret, 5th string, pinky on the 7th fret, 2nd string, pluck the same strings. Then we're going to move our index up again to the 7th fret, 5th string, and our pinky's going to squeeze in to the 8th fret, 2nd string, pluck the same strings. Then we're going to slide all the way down to the 2nd fret, 5th string, pinky, 3rd fret, 2nd string. All right, and then we're going to go back to the starting position. All right, then it starts again, same shapes, moving up the neck, and then it finishes with the 5th fret D shape, okay? Each one of those are chords, so it's just so if you didn't know, this is like a C, this is a D, an E minor, your G/B, and back to C. All right, so that whole walk-up is, and then the second time, and then you're back to the main part. All right, so now let's talk about the walk-up without the kind of actual shape changing. All right, so it would be C, all right, D, E minor, G/B, C add 9. All right. So to slow that down, I'm plucking the bass note with each thumb. So the thumb bass note changes, index and middle still pluck 3rd and 2nd. So there, my thumb plucks the 5th. On the D, my thumb plucks the 4th. E minor, thumb plucks the 6th. And then G/B, thumb plucks the 5th. All right, so that whole walk up for the pre-chorus is the second time. And then to D, and then you're back into. All right, now there's only one other section to this song, and that's kind of a bridge, not really a bridge, it's more of like a breakdown instrumental that happens after the second set of choruses. And all it does is the exact same fingerstyle pattern, but instead of starting with G, we start with C and go to G. So it's C, G, E minor, D. It's going to do it again. C, G, E minor, D. The exact same shapes and the exact same plucking that we did in the chorus, except for we're just switching, we're reversing the first two chords, starting with C and going to G as opposed to G to C. Okay, that is everything you need to learn the song. Let's talk about a strumming pattern that'll work if you decide that the plucking thing is a little too much and you just want to strum this and have fun. You can go down, 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 up, C, down, up, E minor 7th, D, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, C at 9, down, up, E minor, down, up, D, down, up, down, up. For the walk-up, you can do the same thing. Set single strums, C, D, E minor, G/B, C at 9, alright? And you do it again, C at 9, D, E minor 7th, G/B, C, and then to D. And then you go straight back to that strumming pattern. And that's really it. Alright, that is everything you need to know to play Superhero by Lauv. Super fun song to play. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a lot. Please hit like and subscribe. And yeah, stick around for some more videos.